This review is of Simply Nature Organic Non-GMO Orange Peach Mango Juice Blend. Okay, so as I said, it's organic, USDA organic, and it's 100% juice, non-GMO. And there are the nutrition facts and the ingredients. Oh boy. Wow, that's a big barcode. Okay, I'm going to give this a try for you. My cat loves playing with those things. You know, the safety seal inside of these? He just loves it. I don't know why, but he loves it. I don't know if I was supposed to shake it up. I didn't see any indication that I should. Ooh, that's refreshing. It's a nice blend. So there is oh, it's all from concentrates. Let's see, what are they? Orange juice, apple juice, or white grapes, peach, mango, lemon. Yeah, so it's a very nice mixture of these. Sweet but not too sweet, so there's a bit of, and there's some tartness but not a lot. And I think it's pretty tasty. It's not overpoweringly strong either, which is good. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.